Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you how to hook an Xbox to a computer monitor. Alright, first you're going to need a VGA cord for the Xbox, okay? I found one on Amazon for $5.20 with free shipping. I'll put that link in the description. If you're looking at this video at a later date and they change the price, has nothing to do with me. Alright, so also I forgot, you're going to need one other part. Unless you have speakers that have a RCA port, you're going to need a male and female RCA cord. Why did I say port? Alright, so, and also you obviously need a monitor and an Xbox. Yeah, I have a big fan on it. It saves money on buying other fans. And also got a 320 gig hard drive that I took out of one of my laptops. Alright, so let's figure out how to do this one hand. It's gonna be fucking insane. Okay, so it's gonna be weird. I have to plug it in. Alright, and then I have this little hole in the back of here. I'm just gonna thread this through. Oh shit, go through. And then make sure the RCA cords don't go in there. And then plug it in like so. I don't know if you can see that. Like that. Tighten the screws. Oh yeah, be careful because the little prongs inside the RCA cord, put it in there the wrong way, they will bend, and it is a pain in the ass to get them back straight, and you will wind up breaking the pins in it, and you'll have to buy a new cord. Thankfully I've never done that, but one of my friends took out a computer chip out of my fucking computer over there and broke the damn chip prongs. That was a bitch to get straightened out. But now we're on to this and this. Okay, so gonna have to plug them in. Okay, and then you take the male parts. I love how they associate fucking wires with female and male genitalia. Yeah, my room's a mess. Been moving around and stuff. And you just plug it in and there you go. Thank you for watching.